Hello friends and family from Disney Springs. Today we're going to be going over here to Disney Style and checking out all of the newest merchandise that they have for sale. This is actually our first video I think that we've ever done over here at Disney Style at Disney Springs. So hopefully they have a lot of new stuff that we haven't seen before. I'll also leave in the link in the description box to this video, our last video that we did over here at the World of Disney for all of the newest Disney merch. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click that bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would greatly appreciate it. These palm trees sure are blowing right now. It actually looks like it's probably going to rain relatively soon. So I do want to hurry over here and get inside Disney Style. I just want to take advantage though really quick of this beautiful view we have of the balloon right there. Even just on a cloudy, breezy day that looks like it's going to rain, you still can't go wrong with any day here at Disney Springs. Like I was saying before, I don't think we've done just like a dedicated video to Disney Style ever in the past. So I'm going to try to show some of like the newest or most interesting things that we could find in here that I think you guys would be interested in. So as soon as you come in here, you have this really cool vacation mode sign. Now look at the shirt. This one here looks really soft. This is Joy. That shirt right there is $59.99. It looks like they also do have like matching pants for that for $49.99. And how cool are these keychains right here? These are literally like a kitchen sink. I think this is like the kitchen sink from over at that
Beaches and Cream.
Beaches and Cream. That's really neat. I really like this hoodie right here as well. It says keeping my feelings inside. This one here is $59.99. Again, like the bright colors on there. And they do have a dress right here. Like how adorable is this? Like I've never seen these before. And I love the strap around the waist right here. These ones are $59.99 as well. But I'm really digging this whole mural right here of the Cinderella Castle there with the 50th and Walt holding Mickey's hand. It says Walt Disney World right above it. And they also do have some of the new Disney Pride collection. The tumblers, these stainless steel tumblers are $24.99. They also have this tank top. We haven't seen this one before. This one here is $36.99. I love this one though. This is again part of the Pride collection, I believe. And these shorts right here are $36.99. They say Walt Disney World on the side there, Cinderella Castle. These are really nice too. Oh, look at that, more castles on the other side of them. Okay, I absolutely love this People Mover t-shirt. It's $29.99. It's very, very soft. And look at the design right here of the actual like People Mover. Like this one here is very incredible. And I haven't seen this hoodie before either. This one here says Tomorrowland. And all of the different things here you can see in Tomorrowland itself. This one here is $59.99. And down here, they have a really soft women's sweatshirt. It says Tomorrowland Dreamer. This one here is only $44.99. Look at that though. That is truly incredible. If you guys know me, I love like the People Mover and just being over there in Tomorrowland. This one here is a women's ringer style tee. Tomorrowland, look at that. See, tomorrow's future today. Disneyland, California, USA. This one here is $36.99. They also have a really good selection of women's crop tops. Like this Simba one here is $49.99. But then they also have a Stitch one that's $49.99. Then we continue on our way here. They have a Minnie Mouse one, and then a Mickey one. Like check out all the different like facial expressions. Like isn't that a lot of fun? Another new women's hoodie right here is this Jasmine from Aladdin. You can actually see her kind of, it's like hidden jasmines if you will. This hoodie right here is $49.99. And look at this one right over here. Choose your destiny. How adorable is this women's long sleeve shirt? This one is $49.99, but the sleeves are just really, really nice. Then for $44.99 you could also get the matching pants to this long sleeve that we just saw. And then right over here with that Jasmine from Aladdin hoodie, you can get the matching sweatpants right here for $49.99. It's that same floral pattern right there with jasmine right there. Check out this Mickey pretzel right here. So they have a bunch of like Mickey pretzel themed merchandise, like these Disney Loungefly bags. Like these are actually supposed to smell like pretzels. Look at the big Mickey pretzel right there, and just all the pretzels like all around this bag right here. And these are $85 a piece. These straps on these like feel really nice though, like on this backpack. And then they also have the matching Spirit jersey right here. Yep, look at that scented perfume right there. So this also is supposed to smell like a Mickey pretzel. And right over here is what the front of the Spirit jersey looks like. Established 1971. And then you have a bunch more pretzels going down the sleeve. For $59.99, they have a wild animal from the Muppets hoodie right here. Check them out. Like the colors on this are definitely very vibrant. And check out like the wild animal. It looks like it's kind of like spray painted. That's really nifty. I haven't seen anything like that before. And here's a couple of the different ear offerings that they have over here in Disney style. But I do want to come over here. Like some of these shirts are some like I have never seen before. I love this Mickey shirt right here. This one is $44.99. Then they have a crop top hoodie. I love Mickey's facial expression on this one. Doesn't have a price on these ones right here though. Also a windbreaker. Look at Mickey's facial expression on that one. This one here is $59.99. Okay, on the back you have Mickey back there. These are really nice. For $59.99 they have a baseball jersey with Mickey making that same facial expression. It says legend right there. You have Mickey sewn on the side. I do want to check the back of these though and see what these are like. Oh, look at that, number 28. You have Mickey Mouse and kind of like his signature and kind of like some Yankees pinstripes. I also have to show this up here. Look at this. Heading into the weekend, like you have Main Street Monday, Tomorrowland Tuesday, Wonderland Wednesday, Thunder Mountain Thursday, Fantasyland Friday, Silly Symphony Saturday, and Spaceship Earth Sunday. Here's a few more of the t-shirt offerings that they have right here. This Walt Disney World. They have Yoda over there. I love this orange bird shirt right there. They also have this Tinkerbell shirt right here that I have never seen before. Again, it kind of looks like the spray painted where it says fly. You have Tinkerbell over there. This t-shirt is $36.99. Then they also have another one right over here. Like I just love the feeling and the materials here in this store. Like they're really, really nice. And this one here is $36.99 as well. But these shirts that I was showing you that are actually right over here, like the Walt Disney World, Orange Bird, and so on, I do want to show you, like Brandy's on the screen right here, you can kind of like custom make your own t-shirt, like adult, women's, children's. That's really neat, and it gives you the actual price right there that you actually be paying for it. Like this one in particular would be $24.99. You could pick your princesses. Oh wow, look at that. I actually haven't seen this hat right here in a while, in quite some time. It says, "Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow in fantasy." This is actually like a metal plaque on the hat. And these hats, they're embroidered Disney parks on the back, and I believe they're $29.99 a piece. I'm gonna head over this direction though, because I see some of like the From the Vault collection. This for the 50th anniversary. Like this is really beautiful. Like I love the patches that they put on here, like the vintage Walt Disney Worlds and the Disney one right here. And I do want to show the back. Like look at that. Again, Walt Disney World, like that is really, really incredible. And then they have this shirt right over here. It's like an old-fashioned Walt Disney World license plate for the 50th anniversary. And these t-shirts right here are $36.99. And this would pair very nice with this Disney Loungefly backpack. These are very, very nice. And they also have the wallets that match the backpack. And the wallets are $50. And the backpacks are 75 bucks. Okay, so if you're at Disney Springs and you're looking for something unique and a little bit different, definitely check out Disney Style. Because like a lot of the offerings that they have there, they're like very soft and like different things than you'd find over at like the World of Disney. But if you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. And as always, make today awesome.